It's actually very exciting. The mood, the buzz in the hall is enormous. There's a lot of excitement. First of all, this is the first Renewed Hope initiative event that is being convened um, at the instance of the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by the First Lady of Rivers State. And so there's been a lot of excitement. The women are happy to meet with their First Lady once again after a period of 6 months. And beyond that, the program signifies economic empowerment to boost the entrepreneurial spirit of the Rivers woman. And so, as the speech that was delivered by the First Lady, Lady Valerie Fubara, on behalf of Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, it is a demonstration of government's interest in empowering women economically. And there was a quote that stood out for me, which was that when you when you sow into women, the nation reaps the benefits of that seed that is sown. And so from the excitement in the room, from the happiness in the women, amongst the women, we know that this investment into their lives and into their small scale businesses will translate into community development, economic growth, and societal development at
What
large.
advice will you be having for the women that have just been empowered with 50,000 naira grants?
Yes, so for that empowerment, which is going into their small scale business, my advice is that it is put into efforts that will yield and multiply, compound on this 50,000 naira seed that is being sown into their businesses, so that from that compounding, they will reap the benefits, their businesses will grow exponentially from stage to stage. So for a lot of them, that amount is quite substantial in terms of what it can do for their businesses in small scale trading or in farming in their local communities. And what is particularly exciting is that it goes across the 23 local government areas of the state and also captures non-indigens who reside and do business in Rivers State.